Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel How to Learn. Today we are going to learn very important concept in Excel, that is different data types in Excel. Let's get started. You can see on our home tab on this number group we have some drop down options and there are some small icons over here. Let's get started. As you know, in Excel we store a lot of data that can be of different types, like we have text, we have date of birth, fee, and different numbers, etc. And we have even some percentages over here, right? It is very important in Excel to specify the type of data which we are using in each and every cell or column. For example, this is text, right? What I will do, I'll select these both columns. I will come over here. Can you see text? No. You can also choose general, but I'll go to more number options. I'll declare it text type, right? So you can see description over here. I'll click OK. Now this is date of birth column. What I want is I want to display dates correctly. For that purpose I will come over here. There's date option over here. I'll show you more number of formats, date, and there are different formats. Which format you like, it's up to you. But what I need is I need this one. Even you can choose this one, but I'll go for this one as I have did already over here. I can change it to this one. So you can see there's change the way it displays the date. You can change it over here, more number of formats, date, and there are different options, but this is my favorite. Likewise, we have fee. So it's currently chosen as general, but I'll go over here, more number options. I'll go for currency, right? And I don't need decimal places. And there are different symbols like dollar, etc. But I'll go for this one. Okay, right? Likewise, these are numbers. For that purpose, I will select all these columns. I'll come over here. I'll declare them number, right? And there are two decimal places. I don't need those decimal places. I can decrease the decimal places by clicking on these small icons over here. This one increases, this one decreases. The next option is percentage. For that purpose, I think in another video I have described how to calculate percentage and how to declare this percentage column. For that purpose, I'll show you. I'll select this column. This is already selected, right? For that purpose, you can come over here. You can see percentage over here, right? The next important thing is fraction. I'll show you. For example, I want to display 6 divided by 5. It is showing me 1. When I will come over here, when I will declare it fraction, you can see this is 1 whole 1 over 5. What is this? It's not 11 divided by 5, rather it is 1 whole 1 over 5. So spare some time and you can check all these different options. You can test. Hopefully you will understand each and everything, what is the purpose of all these different data types. So likewise, we have some scientific, fraction, time, long date, short date, accounting, etc. So there are lots of options. So it's up to you to discover all these options. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.